Lance Mechanics here, and I have to ask my American friends, what do you think of this? Numbers are skewed. If he's going after all apprentices here in Canada, your apprenticeship can be anywhere from 2 to 4 years, so that number is skewed. But I like everything else he's doing in here. So $400 a week would definitely cover at least one class a day here in Canada. Things are expensive, our dollar's not the same. And completing $5,000 for completion, heck yeah, that's good, especially for the automotive guys. And it's a bonus for any other trade. So I want to ask you, as an American, what do you think of this? Do you think this is a solution that might help you? Or is this like a Canadian thing, you think it's only going to help us? So here in Canada, we've always given apprentices tax breaks or tool breaks. It's never been a significant amount, like the $400 top up a week. That's might be the bonus for the entire level of your trade. And some trades like automotive, you have levels 1 to 3 and then you write. I think electrical and a few other trades are like that too. So don't quote me 100%. And if you're American, chime in the comments what you think. Is our system better or worse? There's a lot of different things. I definitely feel like technicians up here run through the ringer when it comes to training. We're expected to know a lot. And it's expensive to live up here, but it's expensive to live everywhere. And I'm getting off. Now, anybody who's new to the channel, we all know, well, you don't know, you might not know, but a lot of us do know, because most of you are mechanics who are my subscribers. There's a shortage of 650,000 plus automotive technicians, just automotive technicians in North America, and that includes Canada. We're way up there. So when I first got into the politics of it, they were saying back in 2016 there was 55,000 in Canada alone that we needed to fill these positions, and the number's just getting worse because a lot of mechanics are aging out, taking pension if they survived, or be honest, a lot of them are in debt, so they just have to keep working. But there's not enough young blood coming in, and I think as much as I don't like this guy, it's the step in the right way. I'm kind of hoping I see more official paperwork, because you can, as we know, any leader can tweet or post something on Facebook. Until there's actual legislation being passed down and official records and this and that, it's just kind of, that's nice, I can say what I want, but I really want to see that, because I've been fighting for apprentices for years. We need more apprentices in the trade. Every trade needs more apprentices. It's just, you got to get people in, because I remember the reason I didn't want to be an electrician is because it was 3 years compared to 2 years for automotive. And it wasn't a financial thing. I just wanted to get in the field and work sooner, and I'm kind of regretting it. But if I had these helping, like if I had something like that, I might have pushed for electrical. I might have done a different trade. I don't know. But if I had that option, things could have changed. And sometimes people just need options. This might give enough young people the options to do what they want. And with anything, the system could be abused, but maybe only upon completion they get certain things, or maybe they have to pay it back if they don't follow through with it. So you got to make it so they do want to stay in the industry. And I always tell people, sometimes automotive isn't for you. You might get 3 or 4 years into it and realize you screwed up. This isn't the trade you want. I tell people, you either have it or you don't, and that's the same with a lot of trades. You either have it or you don't. You got to find something you like, and you got to be sure about it. And sometimes the rose tinted goggles do affect that, and there's not much you can do. Sometimes you just got to make the decision and say, hey, this isn't the best for me. I'm going to move on to a different industry. Just do it. Don't be afraid. And that's what happens with a lot of mechanics and a lot of people in the trades, is they feel like they're so committed to that trade now that they have no other options. Maybe this will give you those other options to try other industries, try other trades, and see what you like. And maybe you'll just get out the door and do something. So post what you think in the comments. I know I already asked this. I'm kind of curious on this one. Do you think this will help in the States? If not, hey, maybe we should push for it. Anyways, Lance Mechanics, have a good one.